Welcome to TradeXN. Today we will show you how to check your trading history. We can see our trading history by going to the Closed Positions tab on the platform. By default, we can see the 24-hour history. By clicking this button that says 24 hours here, it will give us options for 7 days, 30 days, and past 365 days. We can also select a custom range if we would like to see the trading history for a certain period of time. There is also an option for selecting one or more symbols if we want to filter the history. If we want to download a spreadsheet based on our time and symbol selections, we simply click this button here and it will automatically start the download. To learn more and to try our platform with a free demo account, head over to TradeXN.com.